Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use a credit card for petrol. First, understand your card's rewards for fuel. Some cards offer 2% or 3% back on petrol. Also, check for foreign transaction fees if you are traveling. Finally, ensure your credit card has enough available credit for your purchase, typically around $75 to $100 for a full tank. Once at the pump, insert your credit card into the designated slot. The machine will then prompt you to enter your 4-digit personal identification number or your billing zip code for verification. After successful verification, select the specific fuel grade you need, such as regular or premium, and then you can begin fueling your vehicle. After you finish pumping petrol, remember to remove your credit card from the reader. Always take your printed receipt and quickly review the transaction details to ensure the amount is correct. It is also a good practice to monitor your credit card statement online or through your banking app to confirm the final charge matches your receipt. For smart credit card use, always aim to pay your entire credit card bill in full each month to avoid any interest charges. Be aware that petrol stations often place a temporary pre-authorization hold, typically around $75 to $100, on your card. Finally, consider using a credit card that offers specific rewards or cashback on fuel purchases to maximize your savings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.